Ladies, ever feel drained after just one busy day? I used to until I found my secret weapon, Nature's Ways Alive, Women's Multivitamin Gummies. These little beauties seriously transform my daily routine. Imagine having more pep talk at work, feeling your heartbeat stronger, and not catching every little bug that goes around. Packed with 16 essential vitamins and minerals, these gummies are like a daily shield for your energy, heart, and immunity. Plus, they're gluten-free and veggie-friendly. Just 2 a day keeps me feeling vibrant and ready to conquer. Seriously, don't miss out. Swipe up now and start feeling unstoppable.